Today, I am reviewing the Winix 5520 Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The design of the 5520 feels very much like a workhorse. It does not have the sleek, modern glass aesthetic you might find on some of the more expensive smart home appliances, but it feels sturdy enough to survive being moved from a bedroom to a living room without feeling fragile. The setup process is straightforward, and the interface on the top of the unit is clean, though it definitely has that slightly plastic, utilitarian feel that is common with Winix units. It is not going to win any design awards for blending into a minimalist living room, but it gets the job done without looking like a piece of industrial equipment. One of the features that really stands out on this model is the multi-stage filtration system. You start with the washable fine mesh pre-filter, which is honestly the most underrated part of the whole machine. Because you can rinse this off, you end up saving a lot of money and effort by preventing larger dust bunnies and pet hair from immediately clogging up the more expensive filters behind it. If you have pets that shed, you're going to find yourself pulling that pre-filter out once a week, and you will be surprised at how much debris it catches. Behind that, you have the True HEPA filter, which is the main event. It is rated to capture 99.99% of particles as small as 0.01 microns. In my experience, if you're someone who struggles with seasonal pollen or dust allergies, having a true HEPA filter like this makes a tangible difference in how the room feels after an hour or two of operation. It is not going to cure your allergies, but it definitely reduces the amount of dust that settles on my side tables. The carbon filter setup is another piece that I think needs a fair assessment. Winix includes a high deodorization carbon filter to deal with VOCs and smells from cooking or pets. It does a decent job with light odors, but I want to be honest about its limits. If you accidentally burn a piece of toast, or if you have strong cooking smells from something like fried fish, this unit is not going to magically scrub the air instantly. It will take the edge off, and it will likely keep your bedroom from smelling like what you cooked for dinner, but it is not a heavy-duty industrial odor removal system. If you are buying this strictly because you have intense cigarette smoke or severe chemical odors in the house, you might find that you need something with a much thicker, heavier bed of activated carbon. The smart sensor and auto mode are features that a lot of people are curious about, and they work exactly as you would expect. The air quality indicator uses an LED light to show you in real time if the unit senses particles in the air. When I am cooking or if someone walks by and kicks up a lot of dust while vacuuming, the light changes and the fan speed kicks up automatically. It is reactive, and that is great for people who just want to set it and forget it. However, the sensitivity of these sensors can sometimes be a bit aggressive. I have noticed that it can stay on a high fan speed for quite a while even after the air seems clear, which can be a bit noisy if you're trying to watch a movie or have a conversation in the same room. Speaking of noise, the ultra-quiet mode is genuinely impressive. On the lowest setting, it is rated at around 23.5 decibels, which is barely audible. You could sleep right next to this thing, and you would probably forget it is even on. The light automated sleep mode is a really clever addition for a bedroom unit. It detects when the lights go down and automatically switches to the quietest setting, then bumps back up when the sun comes up or you turn the lights on. It is a thoughtful touch that saves you from having to get up and manually adjust the settings every night. The app integration is useful, though I will say it feels like a secondary feature rather than the core of the experience. It is nice to be able to check the air quality or turn the unit on and off from your phone if you are in another room, but I found myself mostly relying on the physical buttons on the device. If you are someone who likes to automate their home or check stats while you are at work, the app provides that functionality without being overly complicated. Just keep in mind that the initial pairing process can sometimes be a little finicky depending on your home Wi-Fi network, so be patient when you are getting it set up for the first time. When it comes to maintenance, the cost of replacement filters is something you absolutely have to consider. Every air purifier is a recurring expense, not a one-time purchase. The HEPA and carbon filters will eventually need to be swapped out, and you should check the prices for those replacements before you commit to the purchase. The good news is that because the pre-filter is washable, you are not replacing the entire filter set as often as you might with some other cheaper models that lack that first layer of protection. This makes the long-term cost of ownership for the 5520 more manageable, provided you stay on top of the cleaning schedule for that mesh screen. I think this air purifier is a fantastic choice for someone living in a standard apartment or a medium-sized house who deals with average amounts of indoor dust, pet dander, or light seasonal allergies. It is incredibly reliable, it is backed by good certifications, and it does exactly what it says on the box. It is not the most high-tech device on the market, but it is consistent. However, if you are someone who is looking for a unit to cover a massive open-concept floor plan, you might be disappointed. While the air exchanges per hour are decent, a single unit of this size cannot physically move enough air to keep a giant space perfectly clean. You would be better off with 2 units spread out or one significantly larger, more powerful machine. If you are a light sleeper, you're going to appreciate the sleep mode, but keep in mind that the auto mode can get quite loud when it detects a spike in particles. If your home has a lot of activity, you might find yourself switching to manual mode just to keep the noise levels down, which defeats the purpose of the auto feature. Also, if your goal is serious odor neutralization, like if you have a cat litter box in the same room as the purifier, this unit will help, but do not expect it to make the room smell like a field of wildflowers. It is an air purifier, not a deodorizer or a perfume dispenser. Another aspect that often gets overlooked is the footprint. It is relatively tall and slim, which is a great design choice for fitting into corners or behind furniture, but it does take up physical floor space. Make sure you have a spot for it where you can easily reach the air intake and the control panel. If you bury it behind a heavy couch, the airflow is going to be restricted, and the sensors will not give you an accurate reading of the air quality in the rest of the room. Placement is actually a huge part of how well an air purifier works, so don't just shove it in a closet or hide it completely behind a curtain. I want to touch on the build quality one more time, because I think it matters for long-term reliability. The 5520 feels like it is made from decent-grade plastics. It doesn't creak when you pick it up, and the filter door snaps into place with a satisfying click. These things are designed to run 24/7, and Winix has a long history in this space. While no electronic device is immune to a random failure, this unit is well-tested and generally has a reputation for lasting for several years without needing a repair. That is the kind of peace of mind I look for in an appliance that I intend to keep running all day, every day. Is it worth the money? If you look at the competition, there are plenty of cheaper options, but many of them are unverified and lack the quality sensors or the effective filtration stages that the 5520 provides. On the flip side, there are much more expensive units that offer fancy touchscreens and more smart features, but those features rarely equate to cleaner air. You are mostly paying for the brand name and the design. The 5520 hits a sweet spot where you are paying for performance and reliability rather than aesthetics or gimmicks. For most people, that is the right trade-off. If you're a student, a young professional, or a parent just trying to get some control over the dust and pet dander in your living area, this unit is more than capable. It is simple enough for anyone to use, it does not require a manual to understand, and it does a visibly good job of keeping the air feeling fresher. I would recommend this to anyone who wants a straightforward solution to common indoor air quality problems without having to deal with complex setups or unnecessary software bloat. It is a solid, reliable appliance that does its job quietly and efficiently in the background. There is definitely something to be said for a product that just works. I have seen a lot of air purifiers come and go, and many of them stop working after a year, or end up having sensors that fail or go out of calibration. My experience with the 5520 leads me to believe it has the longevity to be a permanent fixture in a home. The combination of the washable pre-filter, the True HEPA filtration, and the smart auto mode makes it one of the more practical choices currently on the market. It doesn't overpromise, and it doesn't try to be something it isn't. It is just a high-quality air purifier designed to do one thing very well, which is keeping the air in your room clean and breathable. If you decide that this unit is the right one for your specific needs, remember to factor in the cost of those periodic filter changes, as that is the hidden price of maintaining good air quality. But beyond that, you are looking at a machine that is well-engineered and very effective at handling the common allergens that plague most households. It has the right certifications to prove its claims, and it has the features to make daily operation a breeze. I think most people who pick one up will be pleased with how much of a difference it makes in their living space, especially if they're coming from a home with no air purification at all. It is a smart, balanced, and honestly, a very sensible choice for anyone looking to improve the quality of their home environment without overcomplicating things.